What's up guys? So today I'm going to be explaining the difference between a walleye and a sauger. So walleye and sauger are actually both in the same family, and as you can see they look very much alike. However, walleye do tend to get a lot bigger. They can get 30 plus inches, whereas this is actually quite a sizable sauger. I think it was around 17 inches, so it's pretty big. I think the biggest is like 22 inches or something like that, so you can definitely tell that there is a size difference. As far as taste goes, they both taste excellent. They basically taste the same. It's just one grows bigger than the other. And then there's also a difference in their fins here. So on their dorsal fins here on the sauger, you can see how there's this polka dot pattern where it's not on that, and that's kind of like your first telltale sign. If you're bringing it in, you're going to be looking for those dots on the dorsal fin, as well as, unfortunately, this one, its tip has been removed, but there is typically a white tip on a walleye, where that is non-existent on the sauger. And then you can also see a little bit of a difference in the tail pattern. And then otherwise, see if you can kind of see that here, they kind of tend to have these kind of blotches. I have another one here that kind of shows you a little bit more, where they have a lot more of a blotchy kind of spotted pattern on their skin. So other than that, that's basically the main differences. I'm sure there's some more technical scientific differences, but this is primarily how you can tell the difference between a walleye and a sauger.